so in their difference. As I can see, you're playing a brand new series. And also, officially guys, the giveaway is out. So, hope you guys, best luck to you guys. And be sure to subscribe. If you guys are new to my channel, other than that, it's Panda. And basically, this game is actually called Cruise Ship Tycoon. And this game is quite interesting because this game is actually quite amazing. So I'm actually named my cruise tennis cruise line. I hope you guys basically do enjoy. Yeah, so hope you guys do enjoy this series. And be sure to subscribe and join the Discord server. And also be sure to go comment on the giveaway video. That will help me a lot. And also I'll probably get back to you guys. Just want to do that. So hope you guys do enjoy this video. And basically, let's get started by importing the load. Okay, get started. This is the new ship. It's mostly Newport. Oh, this is the new ship. It's mostly empty to start out with, but you're getting some cash to work. So let's add some stuff. Sounds good. Go to edit mode. Okay. Your main source of income will be your passengers. Every passenger will need a stateroom, so build a couple of those. Okay. There you go. What? This is freaking amazing. Let's start out with some challenge. I like rotate. Oh, baby, let's go. This game is actually going to be so amazing with bathrooms. Because the stateroom needs to have bathrooms. And which one is this face? What's the door at? Oh, can you press E to rotate? Like, there's the door. That. Because I like bathrooms. Everyone needs bathrooms. So go to the stateroom and have a bathroom. Everyone needs bathrooms. They need to poop and shit, you know? And what stairway is that? That's the stairway, and that's actually a perfect way to start playing off room. So, okay, we're done with that. Done. Patrons will be very unhappy if you do not have access to food at restaurant all times. Build some restaurants, okay. There you go. Sandburger. Who doesn't do sandburger? Like, that up. That up. That's the main deck. So, mostly right over here. Build a restaurant. But like, no, put that down. So right here. Yeah, right here. That's a good place. Yeah, right behind the stairway. Nah. Right about here. Actually, there's a wall there. Like, let's move. Okay. I can move all of this. Actually, move over here. Whoa, that's actually quite amazing how so 4. Okay, most restaurants don't come with the table, so place put those nearby and have it already. Okay. So let's do 4 tables. Some tables right over here. Put that right next to the window. That's awesome. Okay. Lastly, you need to entertain your passengers. Keep them as happy as possible. The more options, the better. Build some entertainment. Okay. What the pools? Oh. Okay, I have a perk tub for a hot tub. Let's go. Hot tub right there. Deck down. Deck up. Filled. Sounds good. As long as you provide enough food, entertainment, your passengers should stay happy. You'll make sure the hotel isn't enough. Sounds good. Okay. If you walk back behind here, that's a kind of pool right here. That's gonna be a perfect pool area. Okay. Floor. Let's do some floor first. Open, still. Still. Back down. Let's take this feet out. That's actually perfect. Okay. Right now, before we do that, I'm gonna go to the settings and turn it off. No music. Okay. What you can drive the cruise ship, drive ship. What you need to dock the ship in order to board passengers. The dock option will become available once the ship is close enough. Alongside a dock. Okay. Dock ship. When you're docked, you can reveal and resupply your ship. Make sure you don't run out of mid-void voltage or you're gonna have a bad time. Okay. Manage. On board. Can you like buy like new ships? Is that a thing? What, you can name this thing? Canvas. Pens. Let's name this SS Pen. SS Pen. Buy a new ship. Here in class. Holy, this ship is massive. Holy crap, all these big ships are cool. Okay. And we have the basic ship right now on board. So yeah. Passengers. Occupy 2 times 0.4 load passengers. Okay. Passengers will pay you fare every day, and when you unload them at the time of the trip, can get bonus of wasting lots of ports and quickly. Enter total. Thanks for this one request. Okay. Can I exit this thing now? Undock. Whoa. You actually can drive the ship. Okay. Let's set sail. So let's turn this way and set sail. Let's go forward, please. I can't drive the ship, guys. Isn't it? Okay, I think we should head towards Island 3. I call it Island. So basically, that found the pole. So let's turn, right turn now, and let's go full throttle on to Island 3. Let's check out Island 3 first. So Wow, this cruise ship is so awesome. Now we're on board to cruise line. I think we should turn that thing off. Look at this for a little bit. And I think we should be fine right about now. Turn it off. So basically, right now, what's the vast controls? For starboard. Both thrusters. I don't know what these do. These are all maps. That's a tug. Tug. A tug to the new port will cause for it. No, I don't want no merge. I want to board, dude. Let's actually explore the ship while we board. Hey, actually, a pull right down here. Quite amazing. Oh, I thought I'd fix that. I don't want a hot tub right in front of the door. No one wants that. Anyway. Back down. Pull. Can I actually delete this? Delete this. Actually, let's build a edit mode. Edit mode build. Upkeep freezer. Bridge controller. What's this? No, not functional. What's this? All this. Monitor, left one, left right. Oh, that's freaking amazing. Floor, decorations, install, safety, food, entertainment, return the hot tub. Build. What's next hot tub? There's only one up there. Actually, you built this right up next to the Oh, that's a good spot right there. I can't afford the one right there? Yeah. So basically, it's not gonna hot tub or a pool, it's the same area. So yeah. I just wanna go to the pool anywhere. I'm actually build some chest games up on the deck. Back up. Top deck. Whoa, that's a perfect location for a chess table. Let's go. Quite amazing, guys. This ship is like, are we almost there yet? Set sail, bro. Shit, we're going off course. Oh shit. We're going to visit Port soon, guys. $2,000. I keep talking this bro. Let's go back on track. We're kind of going the wrong way. Okay, let's go straight down. How much food do I have? A lot, yeah. I think we should be able to make it. Okay, let's go straight down from right about now. Let's turn that thing on. We should be sailing to Island 3. Let's actually explore a place now, okay? Okay, let's actually take the stairs and come on. Wow, this is actually a quite big area. Cheese, hot dog burgers. This area right. This is actually the sea. Wow. It's actually, if you go down here, there's a pool right down low. in that direction, right? We're not in the right direction. Keep on turning right. Okay. Kind of headed towards the island now. That's right. And we're pretty good on fuel, so let's go straight down from let's actually turn this way then. Okay, we're headed towards this island. Okay, let's finish start the islands. The call is that because pronounce it then, but it's actually called island. So it's actually can we actually go into the stateroom? It'll be so fun. What we can? It's such a pretty nice stateroom. And the bathroom is shower for both staterooms. What interesting. Like anyone needs bathrooms. And they can do like entertainment right there if we needed to. Like this room, that's quite amazing. Okay. Okay, we're going off course. Come on. We go right. I'm not going back to the new port. Come on, this way. I should slow the horse down. Let's go right to the top. What's happening? Well, one of them. Yeah, breaking the D20. Let's go. Let's go. Fine. Let's go this way then, guys. Go this way. Go all out right. Go all out right, guys. Going left. We're making a fat U-turn. Even though we're going the wrong way. And go left. Not also fast. Not also fast. I'm making U-turn, guys. It's alright. Meet the map. I don't think we're going to do that anymore, so we're going to go straight down to the island. I think we should be good. Let's go full throttle ahead. To the island. Yep, we're going to the island right now. That's your name right there. That's a panda. Okay, we almost made it to the island. Is this the main island? But I'm not gonna go there. We're almost there to 5 stars too. Let's see, let's actually visit this island. So let's actually shift to the right a little bit. Yeah, ship a little bit. It's a move. Yeah. So, I think we have successfully made it to the island. If we're literally right here, then drive through. Okay, actually, we can slow down the ship now. Slow it down, please. Look at the dock. Where's the dock? Don't know where the dock is. So let's ship our ship. Turn our ship this way. They can visit the island if they want. And we're probably going to go to if we don't make it, we're gonna cut the turn. This game is so interesting. Yeah, actually, this is a new port over here. We actually set sail to Fortune City. Officers, just officers. The lesson request a tug to the test port B will cost getting what? A tug to the test port would B will cost $20. Okay. Yeah, this actually is island. Wow. Can we quite explore dock? Okay. Wow, great feature. Tug is actually quite amazing. I will never ever. Can you actually board? I mean, can you actually swim? Can you actually like? This place. Oh, that's where the fan is. Wow. Maybe look at the ship now. We can't explore. That's quite not that good. Open door. Open sesame. Come on. Open door. Open door. Door. Open. Gotta go back to my ship. But that's a door. I thought that was my mistake. Let's see what's down here. This was sticky stuff. Nothing around there, but not for sticky, so we're not going to do that. So, for now, actually, go to park. Okay, basically, next episode, we actually play this game. We're probably going to go to a different island. I don't know which island we're going to next, but probably Order City, the main city out there. And before we end out this episode, we're gonna go edit more deck down. Let me see if we can put some balance. Where the elements are deck down? What over here? Some balcony. This balcony staterooms. Balcony. A nice stateroom. Let's see. A nice stateroom with a build of this back. Okay, what's this? 3 times for the balcony. It's a nice stateroom with built-in deck. 3K. Let's actually purchase one. Let's see how can we do this. Okay, if we actually, oh, okay, deck up. One deck up. Oh, perfect. Okay. Actually, what's this thing right here? When I was stateroom was up here. Deck up. Oh, perfect. I found a bed location out there. Right over here. Actually, but no. Get down. This room next. Okay, right over here. Can't build there, why not? I want to look outside though. We can put like inside here. I don't want that. I want it right here. Do you have to build inside the ship? That's quite down there. I don't want that there. One more thing. Here, right there. Let everyone get back to them. Actually, put a tiny room right over here. Single one. Okay. Let's go. Isn't that with the doors? No, that is not with the doors. So, we are perfect. No, actually, that is with the doors. So, no way. Oh, how great idea. 4. Still. This area. You can actually look out. Comes with walls. Window wall. Irregular side wall. A metal door. Key card door. Glass door. Balcony door, glass door. Wait up. It's actually a window. these first. Come on, Panda. Delete these two. Delete these two. Done. Window bin. And then I put these round. These doors around the corner. Okay, get back to you guys doing I fixed back. Yeah. Yeah, back out. I can see I'm on the last statement, which all these bathrooms has been placed in the right doorway now, so you can enter the room finally. So yeah, I'm actually gonna build them again. A single door room right over here. If these people get this room, please suck. This had no bathroom. So with that up, back up, another back up, down, back up. Okay. This is for the pool. No one's gonna go behind here anyway, so can I put a retail clothing upkeep instruction in the stairwells? A medium bathroom, single bathroom, medium, single. Let me fix the door. Let this go this way. Okay. If you try to go around this way, around, go to the back if you need to. That would be amazing. Do that. So, yeah. I think what else we gotta do? The last thing probably gotta do is at the next episode, we'll actually paint. Let's actually paint our stuff. Indoor secondary. Oh, that's good. Changes. Active. Black blue look. Bands. Okay, white. Oh no, black. Well, paint manually. Indoor primary. White. This. Indoor primary black. Oh. SS panel blue. Let's go. Not black and white. Let's go black and white theme, dude. It's perfect white color. White. Okay. I think we should end off the episode here. So, what else? Zones coming soon. Okay, what else we gotta do is we got manage. Feminine punch, crew, passengers. Oh, look at this. Look how much money I have. $7 per statement, so 13 people can live here. Finally. It's like shit. Manage. Look at this shit, you guys. Before we end off this episode, let's see edit mode. The top down. Oh my god. Okay, I think I have the best looking purple. Okay, use this for now blue. Oh, pole there, okay? Perfect pole location right over here. Build. The 10 pole. Step. I don't think that will work. Look, if I could place it right over here. Yeah, that below. Let's place it right over here. It won't work. The two doors are right there. You can actually really added this building quite amazing. So, I think we're gonna end off the episode here. Like there's no move section yet, so look, you cannot move. Move coming soon, so you can't move anything. So I think it's already 6 a.m. So I think as you guys can see, next episode we're probably going to head towards Oregon City, which is quite amazing place probably. And if I are doing so, I can probably visit. I don't know. Anything else? It's been Panda. Now be sure to subscribe. And you guys haven't done the giveaway yet, be sure to go do it. And where am I at? I go to myself. Where at? I don't know. Edit mode. All the way down. Okay. Okay, I think I'm good over here. So, hope you guys enjoyed this Panda Squad. Be sure to join the Panda Squad if you guys are new. Other than that, it's Panda. And just be sure to join my Discord server and be sure to join our Discord if you guys haven't already. And also, giveaway is going to be live. I'll be posting this video probably today. Maybe today. I don't know yet. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video Panda Squad. And then, so if you guys enjoyed the video, other than that, the giveaway is out. Let you guys know the giveaway is out. So hope you guys enjoyed the Panda Squad, and I'll see you guys when it's so goodbye. Panda Squad. So I'm out, Panda's out. Hope you guys enjoyed the Panda Squad, and I'll see you guys when it's so good.